Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators. Imposters or trolls who ask for an apology when they called me a liar for saying that it was hot in the Bay Area from the 27th of August until a week ago Saturday. When it was, we set record highs here. And I watched a video the other night that said a week ago we were getting 110-degree temperatures in the Bay Area. So any troll who says that is a liar, and that person knows who they are. All right, this is my pressure cooker. This is eye of round steak thin. I've cut it up into small pieces and trimmed the fat. Next will be beef roast au jus savory sauce. I'm going to put that in next. I'll stop for a minute and continue. Okay, I put the beef au jus in there. It's already pre-cooked. Okay, kept a piece for a sandwich, gave some to Fluffy. Now I'm going to put the, let's see if this is, okay. I'm going to put this stuff, crafted artisan beef broth, in there. So let's try that. Be back in a minute. Okay, next is coming the mushrooms. Rinse them off 3 times. Mushrooms in there. Okay. Back in a minute. Okay, next will come the carrots. I'm going to put this down for a second so I can open the bags. Hold on. Okay, sorry about the black space, but I can't open a bag and hold on to this at the same time. Alright, there are the carrots. Next will come the potatoes. Okay, here are the bell peppers. I'm going to throw a little bit of salt because all of this stuff, I don't know how much salt is in the broth, how much salt is in the au jus, but this stuff tends to be bland. I can't taste it. If I can get the salt container open. Yes, I need to do the dishes. Alright. Having trouble here. I need to clean this kitchen, but I've been busy and my knees have been hurting. Alright, little tiny bit of salt, not much. Alright, if I do too much, I wind up running to the bathroom. Alright, oh, here's my beef stew with steak. We'll put the lid on, set it for whatever it sets for, and I'll come back when it's done. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and remember you can subscribe to the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month to get content you'll see nowhere else. Alright, bye-bye for now. Have a great evening, and when this is done, I'll do another video. Stay cool, stay hydrated, stay safe. Have a great night.